साळगांवचे हेच कार्पेट ऑफ जॉय फाटले कितलेशेच दीस गोंयकार आनी गोंया भायल्या लोकां खातीर एक फामाद टुरिस्टीक स्पॉट जाल्लो. मात आतां पावस तेकिल्ल्यान ते काडटले. शुक्रारा निमण्या दिसा मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार थंय पावलो.
This is Carpet of Joy, project I have done with 1,50,000 plastic bottles. This project is inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. For the last few months, I have been working on a Gandhi project, and in the next 2 years, I will have a project which will be international. And I started studying Gandhi, especially some of the lectures by Professor Vinay Lal from California were very, very eye-openers. And then I started thinking, if Gandhi was alive today, what issue he would take? Because Gandhi was a very, very creative man. I mean, the kind of issues which he has taken, like salt satyagraha or the foreign clothes, were very, very innovative, creative ways of handling a public issue. And so I started thinking, what would Gandhi pick up if he were alive today? And I came to the conclusion that he would take a issue against litter, because littering is an act of violence. It's a violence against Mother Earth, and it's a violence against yourself. And Gandhi would have taken litter as an issue, and Goa is the best place in the whole country to live. But in spite of that, you walk any around here, we have a lot of plastic everywhere. We have some places which have become plastic dumps, and it's very, very shameful, and it is an act of violence. So I decided I will take this up. And then art is a very good way of communication with people. I could have just gone and said don't litter, but here, when I create a work with 1,50,000 bottles, I get an access to every home. People in Saligaon knew me, people in Goa knew me, but with this, 2,000 people every day come here. Every home from Saligaon or they have visited here. So now Gandhi is to have a Prabhat Feri in the morning for freedom from the British. I am going to do a Prabhat Feri for freedom from litter. So in the morning, volunteers will march in every village, and the Chief Minister is here. The Chief Minister promised us within 15 days he will give us 200 garbage bins, a truck and a few personnel, which will be paid by the government. But our role is basically to propagate this message against littering, and that's what we are going to do.
So glass bottle चे किती decision घेतला तुम्ही आता याचा?
Decision given now, there is a task force which has been created, which has discussed these issues, and we are, after the Panchayat elections, we will put up the roadmap, in which one of the idea is buy back the glass bottles
आता company
through a various kiosks. Of course, the company ultimately will have to pay it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी.